Hey everybody, this video got a old master lock number 77. I tried making a key to it and have failed in one try. This would be the fourth one of these I've owned. I sold one of them, but I still have these two, and did manage to make keys to these. They all have codes on the back. You can see it real good on this one. Out of the four of these that I've had in my possession, that code has pulled up something on Instacode and on lock codes, and it's not worked. So only way to make a key is impressioning, so I'll try it again in a few days or whatever. But I thought maybe just pick this one. I don't know that I even picked those other two on video. Maybe I did. You know, I've impressioned them both. I guess you can see because there's keys there. So let's see if we can get this guy. These are just little 4-pin, really old master locks. Yeah, it's already open, so easy pick. But anyway, so I guess that'll do it for this video. And if I do make a key to it, maybe I'll try it again and maybe try it on video. But anyway, that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.